Every morning, millions of people around the world start their day with a multivitamin, believing it's a shortcut to better health. But what if we've been misled? What if these daily pills aren't the health heroes they're marketed to be? Today, we are diving deep into the world of multivitamins to uncover the truth. Are they beneficial or just a placebo in a pill bottle? Stick around as we debunk myths and reveal facts that could change your daily routine. The global dietary supplement market is booming, projected to surpass $220 billion by 2022. Multivitamins are at the forefront, with promises of enhanced energy, immunity, and longevity. But amidst the glossy ads and celebrity endorsements, a critical question arises: do these supplements deliver on their promises? Numerous studies have inspected the efficacy of multivitamins. A comprehensive study by the National Institutes of Health tracked nearly 400,000 adults over 2 decades. The findings: no significant reduction in mortality rates among multivitamin users. In fact, some data suggested a slight increase in mortality risk for daily users. Similarly, research from Johns Hopkins University concluded that multivitamins do not reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, or cognitive decline. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future health insights. While generally considered safe, excessive intake of certain vitamins can be harmful. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can accumulate in the body, leading to toxicity. For instance, too much vitamin A can cause liver damage and other health issues. Moreover, some supplements can interact with medications, potentially decreasing their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. Experts agree that obtaining nutrients from a balanced diet is the most effective approach. Whole foods provide a complex matrix of nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds that supplements can't replicate. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats ensures a comprehensive nutrient intake. While most people don't need multivitamins, certain groups may benefit from targeted supplementation. This includes pregnant women requiring folic acid, older adults needing vitamin B12, and individuals with specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. Interestingly, some benefits reported by multivitamin users may stem from the placebo effect. The belief that one is taking proactive steps towards health can lead to perceived improvements, even if the supplement itself has no physiological impact. In summary, while multivitamins are not inherently harmful, their benefits for the general population are limited. Prioritizing a balanced diet and consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice is the optimal path to health. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Have questions or topics you'd like us to explore? Drop a comment below.